Topographical surveyors play a crucial role in urban planning and development projects. They are responsible for conducting surveys to gather accurate data about the physical features and characteristics of a particular area. In Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, topographical surveyors are in high demand due to the rapid growth and expansion of the city. These professionals use advanced equipment and techniques to measure and map the terrain, including the elevation, contours, and natural features of the land. Scon Design is a reputable surveying company that offers topographical surveying services in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. With their expertise and experience, they provide accurate and reliable data that is essential for various purposes. Whether it is for real estate development, construction projects, or infrastructure planning, their surveys provide valuable information to stakeholders and decision-makers. The topographical surveyors at Scon Design use state-of-the-art technology such as asDGPS, Global Positioning System, and GIS, Geographic Information System, to conduct their surveys. This ensures precise measurements and mapping of the land, allowing for accurate analysis and planning. Additionally, they also utilize advanced software to process the collected data and create detailed topographical maps and models. When it comes to topographical surveying in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, it is important to hire professionals who are familiar with the local area. Scon Design has a team of skilled surveyors who are well-versed in the unique characteristics of Raj Nagar and Ghaziabad. This knowledge allows them to accurately capture the specific details and nuances of the land, ensuring that their surveys are comprehensive and reliable. In addition to their expertise in topographical surveying, Scon Design also offers a range of other surveying services such as boundary surveys, construction staking, and land division. Topographical surveyors are essential to tasks involving urban planning and development. They are in charge of carrying out surveys to compile precise information regarding the location's physical qualities and attributes. Due to the city's quick development and expansion, topographical surveyors are highly sought after in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. These experts measure and map the topography, including the elevation, contours, and natural characteristics of the land, using cutting-edge tools and methods. In Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, Scon Design is a respected surveying business that provides topographical surveying services. They deliver precise and trustworthy data that is necessary for a variety of functions thanks to their knowledge and experience. Their surveys give stakeholders and decision-makers useful information that may be used for infrastructure planning, real estate development, or building projects. Modern tools like the DGPS, Global Positioning System, and GIS, Geographic Information System, are used by the topographical surveyors of Scon Design to carry out their surveys. This guarantees exact mapping and measurements of the area, enabling